Hello, my name is Jen Smith, and in this presentation I will be explaining the public service announcement you see here. The subject I chose is very rarely addressed with honesty to the public as it contradicts advertising standards in the general marketplace, particularly for agriculture. I started with a question in bold to grab the reader's attention regarding the status of antibiotic-free and what it really means to the consumer. I chose to use white for the font, as the clean association and a subliminal message that our food is already clean and safe. I staggered the brightly colored photos of our food animals in a staircase, showing them in a natural and healthy situation, drawing the reader's eye down to the next image using similarities of the two cows, one in color and the other in silhouette, and further supporting the claim that they are safe to eat. I included a photo of the definition of raised without antibiotics to alert the consumer that the practice of never using therapeutic drugs is not safe or considerate of the animal's well-being, nor is this statement approved for advertising by the United States Department of Agriculture, the USDA. The image titled "Why Antibiotic Use in Animals is Safe for Everyone" is lighter in color and draws attention to the safety of antibiotic use and approved drugs in our food animals. It highlights the most important regulatory body, the Food Safety and Inspection Service, FSIS, and what they do to ensure that what we eat is safe and antibiotic-free. The last image is a strong statement, again, utilizing the eye-catching, bold white font to drive home the message that our meat and milk are safe to consume, even without the printed guarantee. It asks the question, why pay more for a deceptive promise?